Have you ever wondered where we get our electricity from? Well, based on our research, we get our electricity from neighboring countries, which could be really expensive. So, the solution to that, we call it super step. Hello, my name is Emily.
My name is Somnang.
And my name is Anna.
And we are students from Academy of Power and Technology. So, SuperStep is a contraption that generates electricity from people working by using a dynamo motor. Sana, what is our goal?
So our goal is to harvest and generate clean energy from foot traffic and to provide renewable energy, helping to power streetlights and other public infrastructures, while helping promoting sustainability in the environment.
So, we're gonna show how it works. So, this is basically a floor tires, and then when we step on it, it will generate electricity by using a dynamo motor and a gear to twist the dynamo motor, and we use a spring so it bounces back up for the next person. So, thank you so much.